Hi there. Check out this waterproof shower bench made from durable HDPS material with rust-proof stainless screws. It measures 21.2 by 12.6 by 17.1 inches, providing a comfortable and spacious seat with no maintenance required. The bench features adjustable rubber feet to prevent floor scratches and ensure stability in wet conditions. There's also a smart storage shelf perfect for holding shampoo, body wash, or essential oils within easy reach. Designed with handles and a shower head holder, it's ideal for elderly or disabled users seeking extra support. This shower stool supports up to 500 pounds thanks to its reinforced legs and sturdy frame. Enjoy a safe, comfortable, and long-lasting bathroom seating solution with this versatile shower chair. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.